Hey everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. Today is a rainy day in LA, and I am going to go and install some retractable window screens with Rubber Tomaya. I'm going to meet him at the job, but I knew that normally we shoot in the front of the house where we're going to be installing, and today I don't think we're going to be able to do that because of the rain. It's supposed to be raining all day. Therefore, I thought I'd shoot this in the truck before I get there. So guys, check out this video on how to install a retractable window screen. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best, and today I'd like to show you how to install a retractable window screen. Okay, we have a deep window frame here, and we have an existing roller shade with a cassette on here. So when we measured it, we double checked to see if there's enough clearance in the back for this product to be mounted to. There is just enough. From this handle here to the back of the bracket of the roller shade, there's just a little over 2 inches, and we have about 1 7/8 on the top rail of the retractable window screen. So just to make things easy, we're going to go ahead and visually be able to see the video. We're going to go ahead and remove the shade. We won't even show you that part. I mean, it's just taking it down. We're not going to take the brackets down, just this roller shade. And you know what? We'll go ahead and show you guys this, just so that way you see what it looks like, okay? Okay, so before we get started, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Select the alert notification so that way you can hear any or see any new videos that we have coming out. And then lastly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. I truly appreciate it. You'll be able to see any new how-to videos, or any cool handyman or installer videos that we have coming out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take down this roller shade, and let's do it. This cassette, basically, they click into the brackets. It's fairly easy, so you just yank it off. That's fairly easy. Then this one doesn't have a pin that goes out like some of the shades. There's a pin that slides, so it's like a bracket cover, and just slide it back. Take the bracket off, and push this up off the bracket. And this side, left side, I pull up the pin. You can see close up. This pin goes in. This was the bracket here that I took off. I slid it. It slides. I just slid that off. Okay, so one magnet per side. It comes out, so you got to take it off and then put it back under the other one. And these are for the bottom side channels. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the magnets, which are called guide locks, on the bottom of the side frames. Okay, so the magnet is facing towards the window. So this would be the right-hand frame. Okay, so it's going to be installed right on this side, on the right side of the window. And the magnet is in here on this backside. So it's going to go inside of here like this. And the magnet is facing the glass. Okay, but first we're going to assemble it with the top, the head box, the top box. And then we attach the other one to the frame. That would be the left side. We have a flashlight on this, which is a little hard to see. Now, the fuzz that's in there, shoot the light back on there? Right there. Okay, so there's that fuzz there. So the instructions say to go ahead and cut back so you can see where you're working. So you trim back. I think we're gonna try not to, because I think we're gonna try to find the hole without cutting back the fuzz. It's hard to see on a camera, but we're gonna be able to see it on our own and know where the hole is. And what we're going to do is we're going to pre-drill a hole on the bracket. If you see the bracket, it has a hole in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-drill the aluminum. You can kind of see the hole there now. And we're going to pre-drill the aluminum right to that hole, and just like that. Okay. So get a little bit of leverage using your ladder to drill this. Drill a hole, boom. See, it went right through. Then we drill the second, the right side. The other one was the left side. Now we're drilling through the right side. You just pull that trigger, goes right through, cuts like butter. Okay, I forgot to mention on this retractable window screen, I had this as a reverse roll, meaning it's rolling from the front side. Usually they'll roll from the back side, okay? The reason why I did that is because of the clearance we needed for those window handles, okay? For the locks for this specific window, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to attach the side tracks to the upper housing, and then we're going to go ahead and mount this and see how easy it is. Slide it right up in here. Fits right into the window. It's going to go right to the front of it. Okay, pre-drilled it. See that? You pre-drill the hole on the aluminum, and then you shoot your screw. So I'm shooting a screw. Solid screw that's provided. Maybe if we hit the hole. It's what they tell you to. Maybe you should follow instructions, huh? There he goes. All right, cut it in. Okay, other side too. And screw right into the hole. And then we have holes pre-drilled at the bottom. Okay, so we're shooting the screw on the bottom hole. Okay, gonna make sure you know where you're at. Do that. Here. Make sure this is straight still. Can I see it? And we just right in, and then we repeat on the other side. Oh, the magnet took the screw. Okay, so now I'm going to lower it just to test it. Just pull it down. And the magnets lock in place. There we go. So everybody, that's how you install a retractable window screen. Be sure to order yours at bestcustomscreens.com. Find the menu at the top that says retractable screens, and you find it there. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. God bless. And I will catch you next time. Take care.